guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my 2009 Audi A4 project car. As you can see, I'm holding a carton box. I put down a list of the things that are wrong on this car. I'm gonna go over them today. For these types of project cars, it's good to have a cardboard box or anything you can rip out and you can write the whole list of things you want to do to the car. First off, we're gonna go ahead and talk about the dents, the polishing, and the interior cleaning of the car. Actually started from the bottom of the list.
We started from the bottom, now we're here.
Let's go ahead and go back up to the top of the list. Okay, we're going up to the top of the list. It talks about changing the oil and filter on the car. The oil and filter on this car have been the same for around a year. So it would be terrible to actually start the car up and try to drive it on the same oil originally. As you guys can see right here, we have a bent rim. Can you come over closer? Yes, that's a really big bent wheel. Big. As I was saying, I need to go ahead and paint these rims. I'm gonna go ahead and powder coat them. I'm probably gonna do it myself. I learned how to powder coat them on the way. And I'm gonna send it off to a specialty shop where they're gonna fix the rim and repair the bend. So the next step we're gonna do is we're actually going to go inside of the car. I'm gonna show you the terrible interior conditions of this Audi. So as you guys can see right here, there's a stain on that seat. The thing is, we want to actually remove all those stains. We also have a lot of mold inside of the vehicle, which is hazardous for the health. So we're actually gonna go ahead and vacuum the whole car. We're gonna shampoo the conditioner, the actual carpets, and we're actually gonna go ahead and hit it with an extermination. No, it's not called like that. We're actually gonna go ahead and hit it with a product that is actually gonna remove the problem, which is the actual problem, which is the mold itself. Moving along to the front of the car, we're gonna show you suspension problems. We have a lot of suspension problems. So we have upper control arms, lower control arms, steering links, tie rods, boots, shoes, everything. We have to change everything in the suspension. It's horrible, it's terrible, but we're actually gonna make it better. I have plans for a new coilover suspension or probably an air ride for the car. So we're gonna go ahead and check under the hood. So first thing we're gonna do is replace this hood strut, what? We're gonna replace the hood strut. It's terrible. The hood weighs about 40 pounds itself, so we need to fix that so we can work inside of the engine. We're gonna change the tune. We're actually gonna change the filter back to the OEM filter. Replace all the fluids, change the coolant, fix everything that's wrong with this engine. It's leaking, it's puking. We can see oil, juices everywhere. And lastly, we're gonna go ahead and work on the exterior of the car. I wanna do a couple of mods. I wanna change some bumpers and see what I could do with the paint. It's in terrible condition. I wanna be able to do a plastic dip job or an auto dip job right here in the garage. So as I said, I'm actually going to fix up the garage and make my own workshop in which I could work with any type of vehicle and actually have space to store vehicles. So this is what I'm actually talking about. Look at that paint condition. I mean, I could probably polish it, but it does not have a lot of life left in it. So I would be inclined to actually recoat the whole car with another product. So as you guys can see, we also have a lot of dimple my pimples right here in the back trunk area of the car. We have to work on that, remove those cellulite spots, and actually leave the car looking tremendously well. Okay guys, so stay tuned to Speed to Garage. I want to work on this car, so Espérate. Okay guys, so stay tuned to Speed to Garage. On the next episodes I will have this car and I will start actually fixing it up and getting it running. First step is to change the battery, so I'm gonna have to rack a lot of money for that. Is rack a word? Is rack a word? My girlfriend actually told me not to look at the camera while I was speaking. Anyways guys, stay tuned for the next episodes. I will have a lot of good content coming in. Please guys, like and subscribe and hit subscribe for more and post notifications to actually receive every single post I put up every single day. Take care, Speed. Take care, Garage Gang, and remember to hit subscribe for more.